Gotham City never sleeps. It only waits. Breathing through alleyways soaked in rain, hiding its sins beneath flickering streetlights.
Once, a boy escaped the shadows, trained by the Dark Knight himself. But tonight, the city does not need a symbol. It needs a hunter.
His name is whispered in fear. Not a bat, not a myth, but something faster, sharper, unforgiving.
Dick Grayson was forged by laws, but Nightwing was born from defiance. A protector who walks the line Batman never could.
Now Gotham fractures from within. A new darkness rises, not driven by chaos, but by control. Criminal empires unite, secrets resurface, and the past refuses to stay buried. Nightwing, coming soon.